So friends, it's hashtag always access granted. This is the replica or clone of the JBL SH12 and generally sold as only SH12 and is easily available on any online market sites or even many offline stores also for under rupees 700 and which is totally worth for this device. I have used this for around a week and I have received this in a very bad packaging, so I didn't post an unboxing video. And when we talk about the physical overview of this device, on both sides there are some written information about it, wireless and Bluetooth, as well as left and right marking. And the major thing about this is that this is a Bluetooth headphone, as well as it works with an AUX cable without putting it on a charge. And memory card also supports this device. This is my favorite thing, that you don't need a mobile to make it work. Even there is FM mode in this device, which works really very rare. In short, it does not work all the time. As well as it has got 4 buttons for different tasks and a micro USB cable for charging. Now let's fire up some stuff in the headphone. Imperial March, Star Wars. As you may see, it is very loud and it feels very loud when we are wearing it. And the amount of bass is also pretty well, and we feel the bass as it vibrates a bit when there is a bass song. And the sound quality is also amazing, as you may hear it. As well as it has got many features, like you can adjust the headband. Just one of my complaints about this is that the headbands are only 2-axis rotation, but we need 4-axis rotation for more comfort. And the quality of the headband is also good. The material used is good, but there is a wire which is shown directly which connects both of the ear cups. That I feel bad. And the sponge is also amazing. And when we talk about the pros and cons about this device, the major pros of this devices are: this is totally efficient and worth your money, as well as the sound quality is also good. Bass amount is also amazing. It supports AUX. Even if you have no charge on your earphone, you can play songs via the AUX. As well as there is a memory card support, which makes it more better, as well as the FM mode, which does not work properly, but it has it. And if you need one with the JBL logo on this, then you have to pay 300 to 400 rupees more for the JBL logo, but I would not suggest that. And when we talk about the cons of this device, there are pretty some cons, that it hasn't got 4-axis rotation of the ear cup. It has got only 2-axis rotation, which makes it a bit uncomfortable while wearing. As well as the wire which is shown directly should not be there connecting the head cup. And I didn't find many other cons when I compared it with the price range of this device. And friends, I hope you enjoy.